Hi everybody, I'm Jill at Prairie Gardens, going to talk to you today about how to store your tree now that we've made it through another Christmas. Yay! So the first thing you'll want to do is go through your tree and replace any bulbs that are burnt out. That'll save you some time for next Christmas. So what I like to do is actually take the tree apart and start one section at a time. I would normally have this section off and start at the bottom. But for the sake of time today, you just go through it, pull out your bulbs, put in another one, and just go through each section with a fine-tooth comb. That'll save you so much time next year. And once you get that done, then you'll want to unplug. Of course, if you start at the bottom like I do, it'll be unplugged. But you'll want to unplug your section. Take it off. Hold it down gently. I just kind of run my hands down. And most trees are in 3 sections, so we didn't pick a real big one today. And there's that. And the best way to store your tree is in a bag. Trying to get it to fit back in the box. Number one, when they're fluffed really well, they're just not going to go back in. All the pieces aren't going to fit in. And then you hear this crack, 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 and you know you've smashed bulbs. So then we'll need to be replaced next season. So to avoid that, we recommend the bags. And we have bags in various sizes. I just have a small one today because we're not going to be packing up the whole tree. But these are really nice and thick canvas. Really good quality. So then you'll just put your section in, and if you start with the bottom section, we recommend putting it in the middle. Don't put the end right to the end of the bags, that way you'll avoid poking holes in the bag. So for today though, we'll just don't be afraid to bend it a little bit to get it to fit. And actually, if you have some of the larger trees, even though the bags say they're for up to 9 foot, if they're super big in diameter, they're not always going to fit into one bag. So this is a 36-inch all-purpose bag. So that would come in handy for the top of the tree, and generally the rest of the tree will fit in the bigger bag. And we recommend storing it horizontally and not anything on top of it. If you want to store it vertically, you can. We recommend, of course, covering it up. We do sometimes have some bags that you can store it like that. It's a little tight, but if you bring your branches up, you can get it to fit. We'll be happy to help you with that, to demonstrate that. So the other thing is store it in a temperature-controlled environment, basement as opposed to attic. The attic gets too hot, and of course you'll want to keep it away from sunlight, which can cause fading, and make sure if you put it in the basement that it's dry. If not, put it up on something to keep it dry. Then next year, when you're ready to put it up again, I would go through it again and check for burnout bulbs. I don't know if there's some kind of bulb fairies that when it's setting comes and makes the bulbs go out, but it's always a good idea. Then that way you're prepared for the rest of the season. I'd start at the bottom, plug that in, go through it real good, put on my middle section, go through that real well, and then your top. And if you do have any problems with the lights after you've changed your bulbs, please bring that section in. Our trees have a warranty and we'll be glad to get them working for you. So just bring it on in and we will help you. Other than that, it's pretty simple, and that's about it.